That's good. That's high enough. Oh my gosh. Crash and burned. Yeah. Oh, that looks nasty.
All right.
Ready to throw the football?
There you go.
There he is. Look at him up at the top. Oh gosh. Oh my 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 god. Oh my god. Ah! Zoom. Oh, he did like a little jump. That was cute. He did a jump. Good job. Good job, love. Oh dear. Please don't let us like watch him fall and break something. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
He has nothing done.
Cool.
Woo! Oh, all right. Getting your hands on it. That's good. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, bad throw.
So close. Nice, slow bud.
Wow. There we go. You want it? Yeah, but when it's
Let me teach you. I know how to do it best. Better than that.
better than Daddy, huh? No, I turned it off.
It's blinking.
It blinks when it's off.
Blinks out, right?
This is out, Dan.
Oh, I kicked it.
Yeah?
You went far. That's cool. Ready?
Yeah.
That's a good kick. Right?
Can I record the next one?
Oh, you're gonna let me kick the ball? Oh my gosh. Alright, so I just kick it like this. That's what I want to do.
Yeah. You're plant with me, dude, a couple inches out. Alright, buddy. Buddy.
So what you want to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, then run up and kick it.
Okay.
Now kick it.
Are you okay?